All right, next we're here on page 124. So make sure you have your books out to page 124. And let's get started here. It says 42 times 6. And they want us to break that down into 42 times 3 times 2. I can think 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. And then I can multiply the 42 times 3 part, and I get 126 times 2. And then I can get 252 if I multiply 126 times 2. Okay, so let's make sure we have 252 there. All right, I got it. For B, it says 143 times 4 equals 143, and they want us to break that up to two parts there. So it's going to be 2 times 2. And then we can multiply this first part, 143 times 2, and we get 286 times 2. And we can multiply 286 times 2 and get 572. Moving on to part C, it's got 27 times 18 equals 27 times 2 times 9. So what they've done is broken up the 18 into 2 times 9. Okay, so now we can go ahead and do this even further. It says 27 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, and then we'll start to tabulate this, and we can think then 27 times 2 is really 54. And then we can think, well, 3 here, okay, and then 3 here. So we just did one of those. We just did that one on that step. And now we're going to take these two together, 54 times 3, and we get 162 times 3. And if we multiply 162 times 3, we would get 486. Okay, it says work out using the methods used in 3. Okay, so for this first one, I'm going to take 69 times 2 times 2. I'll do this part first, and I end up getting 138 times 2. And if I go to the next step and solve here, I get 276. And I can write that there where the answer goes, 276. And it says 338 times 6. And here I need to do it like we did up above there, where it says we broke that down into 2 times 3 there. So we can think of that 6 as being really 2 times 3. So we can break this part down and take 338 times 2 times 3. And then I'll work this part out. I get 676 times 3, which equals 2028. Okay? And there's a few ways you can do that, but that's how we'll do that. 2028 is our answer, and we've got it for page 124.